One of the most annoying things about using so many different apps and features on your iPhone is that it constantly keeps getting filled up and you don't really know why. You take pictures and videos, but this is done more sparingly, and it certainly shouldn't fill up your entire storage as it is. When your storage is full, your iPhone will perform much more slowly or even display a message that you can't perform certain actions or use certain apps until you clear up more storage. And as we've all gone through this, you know that when the time comes to delete data, you're not even sure what you should be deleting or hanging on to. Welcome back everyone to the Wondershare Dr.Fone channel. My name is Francisco, and in today's video we're talking about two awesome solutions for resolving some of your storage issues on your iPhone very easily. But before we do dive in, just make sure to subscribe because we've got so much more content coming up soon. Now let's go ahead and dive right in. Part 1. Why does your iPhone accumulate so much junk storage over time? It's ridiculously easy to fill up an iPhone storage without realizing it because of how seamlessly Apple integrates features that quietly eat up space. Here's why. Number 1. The nature of the iPhone storage management. One of the biggest culprits is the way iPhones handle photos and videos. Live photos, which are enabled by default, save a short video with each picture that you take, significantly increasing file sizes. If you record videos in 4K, they can take up massive amounts of storage in no time. Screenshots and screen recordings also accumulate quickly, often forgotten in your camera roll. Additionally, the Photos app may create duplicates when syncing with iCloud or when editing images, further filling up storage without you noticing. Number 2. Storage bloat. Apps also contribute to storage bloat, especially social media platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, which cache a lot of content to speed up loading times. So messaging apps such as iMessage and WhatsApp save media files indefinitely unless you delete them manually. Even gaming apps, which might seem small at first, often download extra data after installation, causing their size to grow over time. Number 3. Poor storage optimization. Many users rely on iCloud for storage management, but it doesn't always work as expected. If optimized iPhone storage isn't enabled in the photo settings, full-resolution images remain on the device, taking up valuable space. iMessage and iCloud can also be misleading as messages and media are stored across all synced devices but still occupy local storage. This often leads to a false sense of security, making users think that they've freed up space when they really haven't. Number 4. Cache data. Downloaded and cached files are another sneaky way that storage fills up. Web browsers like Safari and Chrome store website data, images, and videos for faster loading, while streaming services such as Netflix, Spotify, and YouTube Music save offline content that quickly eats up gigabytes. Email attachments stored in the Mail app also contribute to the problem, especially if they include large files like PDFs or images. And number 5. Too many updates. Finally, system data and software updates can take up a surprising amount of space. iOS accumulates temporary files, logs, and caches over time, which can add up without users realizing it. Some apps also store background data that isn't automatically deleted, further bloating storage. Without regular maintenance, this system data can grow significantly, making it harder to free up space. Part 2. The easiest way of mass deleting unused data. As a solution to your iPhone storage issues, we've got a great app for you to try out. This is the Dr.Fone app. The Dr.Fone app is capable of so much more as it lets you transfer data between devices of different operating systems, such as from Android to iPhone, or even vice versa, to retrieving lost or deleted files when possible. The Dr.Fone app has been enriched with AI tools that help you sort out many issues that you may come across along your mobile experiences. Now, these even include AI photo restoration, video repair capabilities, file repair, and more. Of course, we're only talking about one of the features that will help us clear up some iPhone storage data, which is the Smart Clean feature. This is super easy to use and it only takes a few steps, so follow along to free up some storage easily. First, you have to download and install the Wondershare Dr.Fone app from the App Store. Once you're done, just open it. When you're in, you have to go to the Smart Clean section from the bottom of the screen. Then tap on Smart Clean at the top, where we'll show you how much storage you have and how much data you have that remains unused. Dr.Fone will ask for permissions on photos, contacts, and calendars. Give permissions to all of it if you also believe that you might have unneeded calendar events or duplicate contacts, as well as duplicate photos or videos. Dr.Fone will start detecting what sorts of files you have that may not be needed, such as files that haven't been opened in a long time or duplicates. Once it's done, it will show you everything that it deems unnecessary. Once you're in, you can see which files Dr.Fone wants to delete for you, but you can review these files individually if you prefer and make your selection. However, However, if you know that you don't care about any of the files being shown here, you can just tap on Select All. Once you're ready, just go back and tap on the Smart Clean logo in the bottom. Let it do its job. Then when it finally finishes, you should have all of that unnecessary storage removed from your iPhone. Part 3. An awesome alternative. This next solution is actually quite similar to the Dr.Fone app, and it's known as the Photo Cleaner app. This app also clears up many of your unnecessary photos, and unlike what the name implies, they also tackle things like videos, calendars, and contacts. To find out how to clean up some storage from your iPhone, just go ahead and follow these steps. So first things first, you have to go into the App Store, then download the Photo Cleaner app from it. Once it's done, just open it. When you're in, you will be met by a very simple interface. You should already be in the Smart Clean section, so just tap on the Smart Clean logo to advance. Just as you did with Dr.Fone, you have to give it permission to scan through your individual files. Once it's done, you can tap on each section and review the things that the Photo Cleaner deemed as junk. If you don't care about any of it, then just tap on Select All. You can also do this outside, where the sections are named, and just select all of the sections easily, if you don't care about any of it. When you finish, just tap on the same logo from before, and the app will take care of the rest. Once it's done, you should see that you freed up quite a bit of storage based on what you decided to delete. Now, thank you so much for watching this video all the way up to the very end. Let us know in the comments if the solution worked for you, and if it hasn't, then just make sure to tell us which phone breaking bugs you've been encountering, and include any of your questions down below as well. Like our video if you liked it, and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on when a new video comes out. Until next time, have a great day.